Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdullah Malik and I am a foundation level student at Rehan School Islamabad Bangalore campus. Today we review a TEDx. The TEDx topic is Fly I Must Afrin Mushtaq. What really stands out is the strong sense of wanting to break free. The idea of flying feels more like racing train than anything we have. There is quite confidence in the way the poet express her thoughts. It does not feel processed, it feels professional and real. The poem carries a simple message, but it hits in a meaningful way. You can feel determined behind every line. It's less about feeling and more about not staying stuck. The emotions come through clearly without being completed. It gives off a very hopeful, uplifting. The poet seems ready to move beyond limits and expectations. That's the kind of poem that gently pushes you to think better, bigger. This sense of coverage is growing as the poem moves forward. It remains it reminds you that fear should not decide your path. The message feels relatable, especially for young people. It's simple, but it does not feel shallow at the poem quietly encourages you to believe in yourself. It shows that growth starts when you decide to move forward. That tone stays positive without sounding unrealistic. It feels like the post is talking directly from the heart. Overall, it's leave you with a feeling that you should keep going no matter. It feels like the poet is gently pushing herself to do better. The message comes across without trying too hard. It gives the feeling that change is necessary. There is a sense of restlessness, like she does not want to stay the same. The message comes across without trying too hard. You can sense a shift from doubt to confidence. It's the kind of poem that makes you pause and reflect a little. This simplicity actually makes it more powerful. It feels honest to exaggerate. The point seems aware of her fears but chooses to move anyway. There's a quiet strength behind the words. It does not just like about dreams, it leans into action. The tone feels calm but determined at the same time. It shows that growth can start from a simple decision. The poem carries a sense of direction, like it knows where it's going. It's easy to connect with even on a personal level. It gives off the feeling of starting something new. The poet does not over complain things that works in its favor. It's more about mindset than just imagery. You can tell you can tell it's coming from a place of self-regulation. It leaves you thinking about your own next step. It feels like the poet is ready to outgrow her old self. There is a sense of urgency, like she does not want to wait anymore. The poem quietly changed the idea of staying comfortable. It reflects that inner voice that tells you to not more. You can feel a tuning point in the poem's mindset. It's not loud or dramatic, but it still leaves an impact. The point gives a feeling of moving from assumptions to action. It showed that even small thoughts can lead to big challenges. The expressions, feelings control not overwhelming the it gives impressions of someone choosing growth over fear. So viewers, this is our TEDx review. We will meet in another TEDx review with another topic. Till then, Al Hafiz, Pakistan Zindabad.